In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking functionality to your Wix website by setting up Wix Bookings. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, having an efficient booking system can really streamline your operations and make it easier for clients to interact with you. Let's start by navigating to your Wix website editor. This is typically the area where you manage all aspects of your website's design and structure. Once you're in the editor, we'll be adding an app. Look for the section where you can add apps and click on it. This allows you to integrate new functionalities into your site. Now in the search bar provided, type in Wix Bookings. This app is an all-in-one scheduling solution that can help you manage appointments and bookings with ease. Once you've found it, click on the Wix Bookings app. After you've done that, you'll see an Add to Site button. Go ahead and click on that. So, what exactly does Wix Bookings do? It's designed to help you take and manage bookings directly on your site. It supports services like classes, one-on-one appointments, and can even handle payments, eliminating a lot of the manual organizational work. Once the app is added, our next step is to enhance it with some additional elements. Head to Add Elements, which is usually found in the left sidebar of your Wix editor. This step is crucial because it lets you introduce and reposition new elements on your web pages. Then select Bookings from the available options. It's your main hub for arranging and displaying booking-related features. After that, click on Calendar. The calendar feature is vital for your clients to see available slots and book appointments accordingly. Next, you'll have the option to choose a calendar style. The choices might include monthly views, weekly layouts, or even daily schedules. Choose the format that aligns best with your service offerings and makes it easy for your clients to understand. Now let's focus on Manage Services. This option will allow you to define what services you're offering, set their prices, and outline their availability. It's a good idea to provide detailed descriptions of each service and any related policies, so there's no confusion for clients when they make a booking. And there you have it. With these steps complete, your Wix site is now equipped with a fully functional booking system, ready to manage appointments with ease. With Wix Bookings integrated into your website, you'll be able to offer a seamless scheduling experience for your clients. This can significantly enhance user satisfaction and improve your overall efficiency as a service provider. Thank you for following along, and I hope this has been helpful in setting up your Wix booking system.